Okay, so guys, what I'm doing now is I'm building a winch plate. This is a 1/4 inch steel plate. Let's see. Yep, 1/4 inch steel plate. You see that it's 1/4 inch. So I've already measured from this point to this point. It's 31 5/8 of an inch. And so I've measured from this point to this point, and it's 6.5 inch. Okay, so after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a pattern here. It'll be a rectangular pattern. This is gonna be 31 inch from here to about here, and then 6.5 inch from here, okay, to about here, about right here. And that's what I'm gonna do. And I left room for the to build a fair lead, a Haas fair lead, so that it'll work. So that's what I'm doing. All right, guys. So this is what I did so far. Made the plate, fabricated the plate, welded onto the mount here, which will go there. Okay, and then on this side as well. Okay, there. So now what I'm doing is I'm positioning the plate here, the winch here, and this is the center line of this plate. And so I'm drawing little lines here so that I know where to sit this thing. The reason why I'm doing that is because underneath here are bolt holes, right? And so that's what I need to do. I need to arrange it so that I can drill holes into here. Okay, and once that's done, I can then bolt this thing on, place it up there. However, it might look like it's halfway done. It is not. I have to reinforce this plate as well. Okay, so that if I should winch, it doesn't come undone. So that's what I have to do. Mind you, this is a 12,000 pound winch. So that's what it is. Okay guys, so this is what I did. Put some paste here. You can see that's why it's yellow. Okay, in there as well. And then set this here onto these little outlines that I draw. Okay, like I showed you. That's the center for that hole. This is the center where I punch here for this hole, and yada yada. Okay, so I'm gonna go and drill this so that we'll drill a hole this size into here, the plates here, and so that this thing can be mounted into here. Okay, so that's that, guys. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like afterward. Okay guys, so it's mounted. Okay, and so this is how it's gonna look like here. So now what I'm gonna do is I have a 2x2 tube, and I'm gonna reinforce the bottom like that. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this to length, put it in, weld it, stitch weld it, drill a big hole right here so I can insert the screws into the bolt into here when I mount it. So that's what I have to do. So chop 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 right here. Okay guys, so this is what happened. So I drilled 2 holes here, 1 hole here, 1 hole here, aligned nicely with this plate right here. So this hole this is gonna go in like this. Okay guys, so this is what I did. Drilled 2 big holes here so that I can put my bolts in and then use a socket to go in and remove it. So this is sort of like a reinforcement cross member. I'll be stitch welding this in, and here I'm going to be tacking it. All right, So yeah, fun time. I'm really okay, guys. So this is what I did so far. Oh, sorry about that. Stupid camera. Okay, so tack this into place. Whoops. Here, tack this, tack that, tack this. Well, it's sort of like a stitch. This is a stitch weld, but it's not that big. So if I make a mistake, I can always redo it. Tack this. Okay, so let's put it in. Okay, we're gonna mock it up. So I have everything pre-drilled. Okay. Voila. Okay, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Ooh, yikes. It ain't gonna work. Okay, y'all. So this is my winch plate. Solid. So what I'm gonna do is I pre-drilled some holes here, okay, already. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to install my winch. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I hook this up. I haven't tried it. I just measured it twice and drilled once. So don't laugh at me if it doesn't go in. I'll be darned. Sits very nicely. Okay, so let's get the screws out. Oh. 4 bolts. Okay, that works. Okay, so pretty stoked here, going somewhere. Okay, guys, so this is how the bad boy is gonna look like. Okay, so tomorrow be bending a tube that goes from here to here. Okay, goes here and here to there. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be like. Awesome. Okay, guys, so this is what I did so far. Bent this tube right here. This is gonna be welded onto here. It'll hoop from here to here, loop around into that end right there. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. Hopefully I can do this. This is my first time ever working on a bender, so it's a learning curve for me. Yeah, so that's what it is. I'll let you know how it looks like after this. Okay, guys, so this is what I did. So as you can see, I made a hoop to protect my winch, and so I tacked it right here. It is really slightly tacked. If you go like that, it'll break. Tacked here. So right now I'm just eyeballing everything, making sure that everything goes in nicely. And then so we are finalizing the weld on this bad boy right here. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna make little plates that goes here, okay, down, okay, and yeah. So it's still hot. Yeah, so he's gonna weld the underside to solidify it, and after that, like I said, I'm gonna make extra plate that goes here. I'm gonna use thinner metal from here to here, maybe 3/16. It'll be easier for my plasma cutter to cut instead of a 1/4 inch plate. So yeah, it's coming along very, very well, and that's it, guys.